best AI video editor in 2026. Spotlight on Descript. If your team ships videos regularly, you know the stack of tools has gotten out of hand. A screen recorder here, a transcription tool there, a separate editor, separate audio cleanup app, and something else for translations. Every handoff costs time and money. That's why AI video editors that streamline production have moved from novelty to necessity in 2026. In this video, we'll break down what to look for in the best AI video editors, and we'll spotlight one of the top products on the market, Descript, to illustrate what great looks like. This episode is sponsored by Descript, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What to look for in the best AI video editor in 2026. The best AI video editors aren't traditional editors with an AI button bolted on. They improve your full workflow end to end. When you're evaluating options, here are several criteria that matter most. Editing speed for non-editors. The biggest unlock in AI video editing is that subject matter experts, marketers, and PMMs can edit videos themselves. Tools that require timeline expertise gatekeep production to a small group. Tools that treat editing like document editing open it up to entire teams. Audio cleanup without an engineer. Most business video is recorded in imperfect conditions. Zoom calls, home offices, hotel rooms. The best AI video editors handle background noise, echo, and uneven levels automatically, getting recordings to broadcast adjacent quality without an audio engineer in the loop. AI that cuts tedious work. Filler words, retakes, awkward pauses, and long silences eat hours of editing time per video. Modern AI editors handle these in a single pass, letting humans focus on the narrative and the pacing instead of cleanup. Multilingual reach. If your audience is global, manually producing localized versions doesn't scale. The best AI video editors offer voice cloning, translation, and lip sync across multiple languages, turning one source of video into a library of localized assets. Brand consistency at scale. When non-editors are producing video, brand drift becomes a real risk. Look for tools that enforce shared layouts, fonts, colors, and intro-outro templates across everyone who touches a project. Plus, for tutorial videos, training videos, and product demos that usually go stale fast, the best AI video editors let you update a section and push that change everywhere the video is embedded, not republish from scratch. Spotlight on Descript, the best AI video editor built around transcripts. Descript is one of the most well-known AI video editors out there. What separates it from the pack is a foundational design choice. You edit the video by editing the transcript, the same way you'd edit a doc. That single decision unlocks most of what makes Descript distinctive. Here are several areas where Descript stands out. Use case number 1, marketing videos. Most video tools force a trade-off between speed and polish. Descript's text-based editing collapses that trade-off. A marketer who can write a Google Doc can edit a launch video. That's a big claim, and it's reflected in who's using it. Descript counts Amazon, Canva, Salesforce, Microsoft, Spotify, and Coca-Cola among its customers, which is a strong signal that it's great for small, mid-market, and large teams alike. Use case number 2, webinar recordings. Most webinars die the second the live session ends. With Descript, you can import a Zoom recording, let its AI underlord cut filter words and digressions, run studio sound to clean up Zoom audio, apply a branded layout, and ship it as evergreen content. The instant share link and embed system also means later edits update everywhere the video lives. For content and demand gen teams, that turns a one-time live event into a repeatable asset that keeps generating pipeline after the live audience logs off. Use case number 3, tutorial videos. For CX, support, and product marketing, the problem isn't making tutorials, it's keeping them from going stale. Descript records screen, camera, and voice in one tool, and click and drag arrows, circles, zooms, and pans handle attention direction. The useful part is when the product UI changes, you can swap the affected clip rather than reshooting. Use case number 4, product demos. Product demos move at the speed of your roadmap. Descript's scenes feature treats visuals like slides, which means they're faster to create than timeline-based editing. Plus, Brand Studio applies team-wide layouts with a few clicks. For the kind of demos most B2B teams ship, screen recording, talking head, branded frame, Descript collapses what used to be multi-day production loops into something a PMM can finish in an afternoon. Use case number 5, educational and training videos. Most learning and development teams default to slide decks because video production is slow. Descript allows you to build training videos the way you'd build a deck. Layouts, animations, callouts, stock B-roll, and more with its AI AI underlord doing a first pass to remove filler and retakes. The best part is that updates propagate everywhere a video is embedded. For L&D leaders, this means a training library that stays current with your product and your policies. Use case number 6, customer case study videos. Recording customer interviews used to require a producer. Descript's Rooms feature captures multi-track audio and video, drops the recording into the editor already transcribed, and from there it's just transcript editing in a branded layout. For teams trying to scale customer storytelling without a big budget, this is one of Descript's most underrated workflows. It means you can produce 3 or 4 case studies in the time it used to take to ship one, which is the difference between case studies as a one-off project and case studies as a repeatable program. Themes from Descript Reviews and case studies. Descript earns an impressive 93% user satisfaction rating across 951 reviews tracked by SelectHub, with 4.8 out of 5 on Capterra and 4.6 out of 5 on G2. Here's what users say they like most. Cutting production time on content. Cloudinary's customer education team reduced podcast production from 13 hours per episode down to 4 hours after switching to Descript, letting them go from 1 episode every few months to 2 episodes a month with the same team and budget. AI translation that scales globally. Algolia used Descript's AI voice cloning and translation to launch 58 translated videos across multiple languages in 2 months, saving an estimated 116 hours of production time. Gabriel Cottle, their senior enablement and digital customer success manager, says, "If your plan is to scale your academy globally and you have a small team that you need to make mighty, Descript is a powerful companion to have." Non-editors becoming productive. A repeated theme across Descript Reviews is that its text-based editing brings stakeholders into the production process who previously couldn't contribute. Customers emphasize that subject matter experts and cross-functional teammates can jump in alongside producers. That collaboration is an incredible unlock. Analyst takeaway: who Descript is best suited for. Descript is a strong fit if you run a marketing, sales, customer success, support, or L&D team that needs to ship video regularly without a dedicated producer, produce a mix of formats, marketing videos, webinar recordings, tutorials, product demos, training videos, and case studies, and want one tool to handle all of it. Need text-based editing so non-editors on your team can contribute meaningfully. Want AI to handle the tedious work, filler words, audio cleanup, captions, translation, and more. Care about brand consistency across video and need shared layouts via Brand Studio. For teams that need to turn ideas into shippable, on-brand videos fast, Descript is one of the most complete AI-powered editing platforms on the market. If you want to see how it would map to your specific use cases and team workflows, check out the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!